na ang pinaka-importante
Years old na kasi tayo
above
ngayon, no?
love,
Kumakanta.
oo, one and a half. Above love, pili ko ha, respeto.
Oo,
Kasi,
respeto talaga.
pag yun ang nawala, kahit gaano mo kamahal yung isang tao, wala na eh. Kaya, doon ko na, yan, sa amin nga,
Hindi, totoo naman. Ako naman, agree naman ako sa'yo.
Doon ko na,
Simply
ano
because I'm a mature person now.
Oo, 22 and you're
23.
23 ako. So anyways, hindi yun eh. Na parang, pero hindi ko alam na yun pala rin yung vina-value ko nung time na yun.
Alam mo, marami ako na-realize sa mga sa mga every relationship. Naramdaman ko rin yan. So, yung sumunod na relationship ko, nangyari, I don't do things like that anymore. Diba? Kasi, na-realize ko na,
si
hindi
Ten,
maganda.
si Ten.
Si 11.
Si 11, no?
Na actually,
Wala
parang
akong-
13 na, di ba? Parang well, kung nagtuloy-tuloy kami, ngayon ay 14 years na kami. Well, we're still parang naman best friends naman kami. So, 14 years.
And ito talagang nagiwalay ng walang pagloloko, wala
talaga,
lahat.
Wala talaga.
Yeah, as in.
Tsaka,
At
hindi
hindi
ako
kayo-
labas noon, di ba?
At
Lahat ng
hindi-
labas ko kasama siya. Pag hindi siya kasama, hindi ako
At
alis.
hindi, kumbaga, hindi kayo naghiwalay dahil wala na rin love. Hindi. Full of love nga kayo. You just have to just let go of each other.
Ngayon yung love namin, talagang plain love na lang talaga as friends talaga. Oo. Family friends din yan. Hindi, pareho. Pareho siya. Meron ba mga kanta yung like yung di ba pag malungkot kayo, nag-aaway kayo ganyan, o pag may problema, yung perfect song dyan is, syempre, as usual, luma na naman, di ba yung Smile. Smile.
Oh my God.
Though your heart is aching, smile even though it's breaking. When there are clouds in the sky, you get by. If you smile through your fears and sorrow. Fears ba yun? Tears.
Fierce.
Smile and maybe tomorrow you'll find that life is still worthwhile if you just smile.
Love it!
Maganda yung kanta, hindi mo lang siya gusto kasi gasgas, nagasgas lang, parang ganun.
Okay,
Ano yung
okay.
gasgas? Lahat ng tao yun yung theme song.
Oo.
Gas, abel, gas.
Oo. Hindi, gusto ko siya, pero sobrang gas-gas niya. Kaya parang ayoko na siya.
Yun.
Ito nga, yun.
Yung
That I was born for you. It was written
Yan,
in
David
the
Roberts.
stars. As I was born
Maganda
for
naman
you.
siya,
Ang ganda
oo.
niya, pero my God, parang pati yung pusa sa kanto kinakanta. The universe.
Yung kay Stephen Bishop, yun.
Ano?
Maganda yun, pero gasgas din.
Sadie? Ano?
Hindi,
It might be you.
Something's telling
Oo.
me it might be you.
Oo. Ay,
Maganda
oo
yung
nga,
lyrics.
oo.
Ako hindi gusto ko yan.
Gusto mo pa rin siya?
Gusto ko siya kasi pwede mo siyang kantahin in a certain way na gusto mo. Halimbawa, yung depende kasi sa emotions
Walang
mo
ganun
yan
si
eh.
Poy. Walang ganun si Poy kasi, yun nga mas more,
Depende sa emotions mo.
Di ba
that-
si Poy walang
that-
masamang tinapay
that
sa
day.
kanya?
Halimbawa, ito
Ayun.
Diba, time I've been passing time watching trains
Gusto ko yan kay
go
kay Patty
by.
Austin na version.
All of my life lying on the sand watching seabirds fly wishing there would be someone waiting for me. Maganda kasi yung lyrics eh. So hindi ako
Maganda
masyadong
kasi yun.
Tingnan mo, Faithy,
Maganda
kinanta
siya.
niya kaya iba na. Kasi siguro yung naririnig mo, yung same
Kay
person.
Stephen Bishop talaga.
Oo, kaya parang na ano pa. Hindi, ako kasi talaga yung,
Monotonous
hindi, sobrang
kasi.
gusto ko si Born For You, pero yung parang sa sobrang gusto ko siya, di ba, hindi na lang.
Alam mo,
Kasi sa
gusto ko
inyo
yung Born to Love You.
Ano ba yung Born To Love You?
Walked into my life,
Oh,
changed the
Lord.
battles of my
Oo.
days. With your eyes, you say, I am yours and you are mine. Parang gano'n.
Sige, sige.
I am yours, but you are mine. But still, something's very wrong.
Grabe, no?
No, I
Banda din natin.
cannot go alone. Though I want to stay, I must find a reason to delay. We're not the same, we play the game, I know. But if I keep my feelings strong, I'll find a song to sing. Though I can't help when
Worlds apart.
we're worlds apart, and in my heart,
Na.
you're still. Love has found a cloudy day. I'm here to stay. I'm here to say that I was born to love you more. Parang ganun. Basta maganda
Gusto ko
lyrics
yun.
na.
Oo, maganda yan, maganda yan. Tapos, ano pa ba?
Yung that's all. Yeah, that's all.
Hindi ko alam.
Mga pala yun.
Diba?
I can only give you love that lasts forever, and a promise to be near each time you call. And the only love I know is for you and you alone. That's all. That's all. Parang ganun.
Ano ba ito, classic?
Standard.
Okay.
I can only.
That's all.
Oo.
That's all.
Hindi
Okay.
ko alam.
I can only.
Anong difference ng standard sa ano?
Sa classic.
Oo.
Kasi pag sinabi mong classic,
Oo.
ah.
Feeling ko kasi pag classic luma, hindi ba?
Yes, classic is luma.
Okay.
Standard is luma also.
Okay.
Pero hindi lahat ng classic kasi is standard.
Hindi ko maintindihan.
Yung pag sinabi mong classic, pwedeng hindi siya pop. Ang standard kasi mostly popular siya. Di ba? When you say standard songs, it's old songs that are really popular.
So, no, hindi nawawala
Standard
sa
songs
uso.
like My Way, Smile, those are standard songs. Standard, that's why it's standard. It's regular. It's
Okay,
standard.
okay, it's
no?
there.
But classic is, it can be unpopular, but it's a classic. It's a classic meaning, ano siya,
Classic.
yung special. Diba?
Mm.
Parang old, but
Hindi ako
unique.
Hindi ko talaga alam.
It's
Kasi,
classic. It's,
honestly.
diba? The true meaning of classic is something really good.
Timeless. Timeless.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So hindi porket hindi mo siya, hindi siya sikat, but it's a classic. It's timeless. Parang ganun. Diba? Ang standard is it's a very standard song. Everybody knows it. Parang ganun.
Hindi ko alam.
Am I correct?
Hindi nga namin alam
Please
yan.
write your comments below.
Oo nga,
Like,
explain mo
subscribe.
sa akin na mas tama. Hindi mas tama, mas madali kong intindihan. So, sana naman mag-comment. Pero huwag naman harsh, ha? Bawal po. Bawal naman
Do not
po.
encourage. Do not say.
Okay, which is we just encourage, ano,
Sino nakaka-relate? Sabi ni Mylang. Sino daw nakaka-relate?
oo. Sino pong, sino
Sino
kaya
nakaka-relate?
Sa falling in love, sa ngayon
Staying
sa
in love. Okay? So, let's wrap it.
Yes. And
Thank you so much everybody for
Thank
listening.
you! Yes! Thank you so much. Hindi po namin alam kung nakailang episodes kami dito, but we hope that you enjoyed our Staying in Love episode. Tama?
Yes. Staying in Love episode.
And please, remember, we have one more episode to go for this Hugot series.
Ano yun? Ano yung last episode natin after Staying in Love?
Siyempre, dito na tayo sa nag-iwalay na
Heartbreak.
din sila. So, it's
Oh
a
my-
heartbreak.
Ang tawag dyan ay
Oh,
Nothing Lasts.
last forever.
Nothing lasts
Huwag
forever.
ganun. Not,
Well,
yeah.
Pwede naman kasing till
Wait.
death do us part, di ba?
Mhm.
So you still parted.
Yes.
Because nothing lasts forever.
Kaloka. So, anyways, yes po. We hope
May request kayo, please.
Yes.
Sabihin
We
na.
encourage requests and comments na kung nasaya naman po kayo. And again, kung meron po kayong wala lang, feel nyo lang ipakanta sa amin na song or gusto nyo maalala ulit. So, yeah.
Request for your mga theme songs. Tapos we
Yes.
would dedicate it to
Till.
your special
Oo.
loved one.
Dito sa simple naming boses, at least nasa tono naman. Hindi lang pala,
Hindi.
hindi pa contest.
Hindi, kay may tono kay wala, basta kanta.
Yes, yeah. Thank you. And we hope you enjoyed our Kwentuhan and Kantahan episode, Hugot series. And we hope to see you again on our next episodes. Okay, my name is Beck.
I'm Poy,
And we are Beck and Poy. Remember, be kind.